बीजेपी आईटी सेल के सरबराह अमित मालविया के खिलाफ कांग्रेस लीडर राहुल गांधी पर मुतनाज़ा ट्वीट करने पर FIR दर्ज की गई है। 17 जून को मालविया ने अपने ज़ाती अकाउंट पर एक वीडियो क्लिप के साथ ट्वीट किया था कि राहुल गांधी खतरनाक हैं और चालाकी और फरेब का खेल खेल रहे हैं। हाई ग्राउंड पुलिस अफसरान ने कांग्रेस लीडर रमेश बाबू की शिकायत की बुनियाद पर मुकदमा दर्ज कर लिया है।
Whenever BJP bears the brunt of the law, they cry foul. They have a problem with following the law of the land. They have a problem with the constitution. And if we enforce the law or the constitution, they seem to have a problem with it. I would like to ask BJP, tell me which part of the FIR that has been lodged against Mr. Malviya is with malified intent. Who is the creator of the video? Who is the one who is spreading the video? Who is getting the video to have enough traction on social media? Who is spreading these lies? I had promised the people of Karnataka that fake news will be reined in. And we are just doing that within legal parameters. I would like to ask even the media houses and the people, tell us which of the sections that have been imposed on him is with malified intent. Have a look at the video. Have a look at the thing. And it's just not that we have gone and filed a case and it's happened in within 1 hour. It's taken a week. We have taken the legal opinion. We have taken the AG's opinion. And whatever has to be done by law, we have done it. Why is BJP this thing? Let them go to court. No. Let them come here and speak.